right here we have a 1968 Dodge Charger with what appears to be, looks like a 383. So, it's rebuilt. I mean, everything's fancy smanchy in here. It's got Wildwood Hydro Boost brakes. Woo! Mr. Long did die. Got headers up in here, and you got a big old aluminum fan and two electric fans. An aluminum radiator, two electric fans. It's got over there, I don't know, that looks like a 110 amp alternator. Here's air conditioning, power steering. It's an AGM battery, lithium ion. Woo, that's not no $80 battery from Walmart. I'll tell you that. I'm looking for a compressor. I don't know if it has AC, but I don't see a condenser or something like. Nope, no AC. But just as well. It's got the poverty covers, the dog dish hubcaps, wheel covers on these things, steel wheels. It's got a 245 6015 on the front radial. It's a good look. It's a good look. Something really beefy on the back. So paint job is real nice. This is like some type of royal blue, I think. Get the vinyl roof. Vinyl roof's looking good. No tears, no rips, no discoloration. Yeah, that's nice. Glass is nice. There's no pitting, no cracks, no stress, no scrapes, no stones. Yes, sir. The interior. Yeah, it's a black vinyl interior. It's got a Hurst shifter, 5-speed. Got some extra dashes on there, aftermarket radio. Okay. Really real. I really like the. I like the poverty caps. The poverty caps on some of these cars really bring it out. They make it look more intimidating and less intimidating than it is. See? What he's got in the rear? 295, 50, 15. Yeah, so he's got a nice little fatty in the back. Nice little. There's some good tires. BF Goodrich radial TAs. Look at the buttress, the flying buttress rear window. This paintwork is pretty good, man. I mean, I like it. I don't see any orange peel. I don't see any rough spots. I don't see any obvious Bondo. I mean, you can have Bondo in the car, but you really have to do. The better you prepare the car for paint, the less visible Bondo would be. So I don't see it on this. This looks good, man. And, you got your afterburner tail lights for 68. Chrome. This chrome has been redipped. Not recently, but you know, this chrome's been redipped probably about within the past 10 years. Doesn't have that much oxidation on it from being outside, as you can tell when you look at the housing for the turn signals. I mean, the tail lamps and the bumper. There's a difference. This is the tail panel on these B-body cars, the Dodge ones. All of this whole piece comes out, and then for 69, they would give you tail lamps right here, and then for 70, they'd come about here. And then you can, if you watch, what's that guy's name? He's one of them Duke boys, John Schneider. If you go to John Schneider's YouTube channel, he'll tell you how to interchange these tail panels if you got a 67, 69, or 70. So you can put in the tail lights that you want. The show car was a 69, but when they were building mock units, they had to take whatever they can get. So. Oh. good paintwork. So I'm trying to get real detailed footage because the analytics on my YouTube page, oh yeah, please like and subscribe. The analytics say most of my viewers, practically all of them, are 45 to 100 years old, with the majority of them being 55 to 64, and then the second majority of them being 45 to 54, and then the third largest concentration of viewers is coming from people 65 plus. So, knowing that, this is a sticker from the Adirondack Albany Rods and Customs 33rd Annual Nationals. Huh, I gotta look that up. Why is it on September 11th though? Jeez, I don't know about that. I'll look for the date. Adirondack Nationals. Oh, you know, there was a guy at the Truck Nationals he told me about a truck show that was in Lake George. That's Lake George right there. We was in a truck show. He said it was a car show in Lake George around Labor Day. This must be the Adirondack Nationals. Okay. Well, that tells me what I got to do then. You know? Yeah, see. Oh, it's missing the plenum for the heater. So, what other than that? It's got a light that goes here. Oh yeah, see, they put the turn signal light on the hood recess, and then after that they put them right here at the front of the fender. So, 68 RT.